Hello, hi, beautiful people. Hello, hi, beautiful people. Welcome to Exploring with Paballo. My name is Paballo, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The channel is Exploring with Paballo. Today is the 18th of October, and you know what I always say about October? October is a very special month because it is my birthday month. So I believe everybody that is born in October is extra special. Everyone is special, but people that are born in October are extra special. So it is the 18th, and we are going to a hiking and healing event. So it is happening in Piringi village. The area is Situnyengi, so we will be exploring that today, and I will be the one guiding everybody. I will be walking along Situnyeng with everybody that is going to attend the event. I am excited. I am looking forward to that. I can't wait, and yeah, can't wait to share bits and pieces with you, the snippets and all of that. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. My brother said, let's go. So yeah, see you there. See you there. I just left home and then I made a 10 to where we're going on the venue, and okay, I'll show you around. There's no need for me to make any videos. So, it's a little bit far, but not too far, but it is far. And then I'm still going down there. Yeah, so yeah, it's a warm-up, I guess. An accident. Umbrella, guys, I could say mara I'm just gonna try and remove. Okay, there we go. That's it. Right, but okay. Pee my bottle now. Then we go. Off we go. So yeah, as you can see, you should see this place after Bulainele. It looks so good. It looks so good. So I saw that wall over there. Just get home and get your that loves the outdoors, that loves nature. So yeah, you guys should see after the rain. So this view, this is one of the best views we have in the village. After Pula is such like everything is just green. Green. Yeah. We're gonna cross the river. I'll meet you at the river type of things. You'd laugh at some of the things that were happening here. And every time we pass here, my uncle because apparently like there were none. There were and everything. And right now it's empty. I think I'm gonna share a picture of it after the rains. It will share a picture on, but yeah, this is it. So yeah, let's go. Let's cross. Let's cross. Normally we cross Kamokwe. But then you can cross there. Also the smaller ones. But yeah, this is me crossing with my umbrella. Just have to be careful. Have to be careful. Oscar. Still crossing. Yep, it's still me. Hello, it's me. Hello. It's me. Hello. It's me. That's an amazing kashilera. Okay. Here we are. We did just cross. We did. This is where we're from. Yeah. YouTube. This is our gratitude or affirmations tree. Then one message. It says patience is a strength. Then bloom with grace. We have a lot of messages here, and also we have this. So it's about to be an exciting. So here we are. Halfway there, or quarter way there, if there's anything that's quarter way there. Okay, so here we are. So we almost halfway there, and I am kind of the sweeper because the host knows this place, so it's kind of the one leading, not the guy, the hike. So yeah, I'm waiting for 2 other people at the back, but yeah. So far so good. Refreshing. The beautiful thing about this one, you can come when it's hot, it's cold, any season you can come and splash up, or you won't complain about the heat or anything. So yeah. As a sweeper, I'm at the break.
It was.
And I hope everybody was well fed and you guys enjoyed your snacks and you guys enjoyed the walk. Yeah, but thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. I'd like to thank Nomsa for the food.
Oh, I would also like to thank Nomsa for the food. I would like to say
Shout out.
and Paballo for the guide. Thank you.
Shout out.
Hikes alone.
Oh,
So today we were bombarded. We were short as well.
You guys had fun though. How was the food? You enjoyed it. And those cucumbers.
Hey, nakapala receipt. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you on the next one.